We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 175, State of Wisconsin versus Anthony Carlson. This date appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Villa in person. We have Mr. Carlson in person without counsel. We're set today for an initial appearance. This is a simple possession of THC, simple possession of drug paraphernalia. Mr. Villa, before we continue, is there an offer that can be presented?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer would be to amend the THC charge to a simple citation and dismiss but read in the drug paraphernalia charge.
Do you understand what that means, Mr. Carlson?
Yes, I do.
Do you wish to accept that offer?
I do.
Formal motion to amend count one,
So moved.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
The court will enter no contest plea on your behalf here today. I'm going to dismiss and read in count two. Mr. Carlson, do you have the ability to pay $150 today?
I do not.
You do not. All right. So I was going to give you a deal if you had the ability to pay for it today. Otherwise, I have to assess the full cost of $330.50. You would like a payment plan?
I would, Your Honor.
And you live in apartment 202?
Yes.
And can I get a telephone number, please?
763-344-3946.
3946. May we send you text message notifications?
Yes, you may.
Where do you work?
North States Industries.
Here?
Yes, I do.
You drive from
I do.
there here?
I do.
Well,
I
hopefully.
mean, I don't drive. I have epilepsy.
So
and
somebody helps you?
Yes, my brother.
Oh, well, I'm glad. Does he work there too?
Yes, he does.
Well, that's excellent. That's good. So it must be a good enough job that you're seeing that to be able to drive that far every day.
I don't have an option, unfortunately. It's just my brother's work there. So if I'm able to work, I choose to.
Well, that's great. I'm glad to hear that. All right. $75 a month, that'll work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, $75 a month. And you need to pay that to the clerk. You can either pay it online, I believe, or you can send them a money order.
Okay.
Or you can drop and pay them cash, okay?
Thank you.
So it's $75 a month until it's paid off. If you fail to pay it all off in full, not only will the court enter a civil judgment against you, but I will issue a warrant. You could sit up to 6 months in jail.
I'm
So-
hoping to have it off on the first.
Thank you
payment.
so much. All right, okay. So then you are good to go. You don't need to get anything. You're free to leave.
All right. Thank you.
If
Thank
you
you.
go to the first window, they can give you like the payment form, so you can do. it.
Okay,
Oh, it
thank you
can
very
come right
much.
out of your paycheck.
Okay. perfect,
Honestly,
thank you.
actually, if you want it out of your North States paycheck, they could do that too.
Oh, okay,
Then you don't
thank
even have to worry about it.
Perfect.
All right, Mr. Erickson. He qualifies, but does he want an attorney right now for today?
I believe we spoke, he's okay with today. I did go over there with him.
Okay, thank you. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 183, State of Wisconsin versus Jesse Erickson. The state appears through Jose Villa, Assistant District Attorney. We have Mr. Erickson in person without counsel. We're set for an initial appearance. He qualifies for a public defender, but does not have one appointed to him yet right now. But before we go down the line, is there an offer that would be able to be presented today?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer would be to amend to a citation for $330.50.
Mr. Erickson, you understand what that means?
Yes, ma'am.
And so do you wish to accept that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, formal motion to amend,
So moved.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
Court will enter no contest plea on your behalf. I recall you are a veteran and are you still doing your services?
I am.
You're still doing all of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Just had a little incident,
Yes.
but you're gonna work on that?
Been a month and a half sober from it. Completely.
I can tell you look good. You look good. So keep that up, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have $150 today?
I don't today.
So you would need a payment plan too?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, $330.50, $75 a month. And it's due by the end of each month. Would you be able to make the first payment this month?
This month I could.
Okay, well, are you working?
Not right
I
now.
didn't think so. I thought you were on and off.
August it was the last time I was, ma'am.
Okay, so $75 a month. I'm fine if you wait until November for your first payment. but then keep paying it on after that. Otherwise, a civil judgment is going to be entered and a warrant you could set up to 6 months. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Just let me verify. Are you still at the 120th Street
Yes, ma'am.
and telephone ends in 4114?
That has changed.
May I get an updated?
That is 715-553-8695.
May we send you text messages?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Okay, you're free to leave. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 194, State of Wisconsin versus Jason Linder. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Villa in person. Mr. Linder appears in person without counsel. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Before you proceed down the road with this, is this a case that an offer could be presented right now?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer would be to make the victim whole. Restitution, I believe, is $20.87. If he pays that, we would amend this down to a simple citation.
You have the ability to pay today?
Yes, I do.
And if the court accepts that, would you have the ability to pay the lower amount of 150 in restitution? Or not in restitution, in the pay, or in the, for the fine?
No.
You need a payment plan for that?
Yeah.
But you do have the ability to at least pay the restitution today?
Yes.
Formal motion to amend,
So moved, Your Honor.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
Court will enter no contest plea on your behalf. I'm going to order that you pay $20.87 before you leave today for the restitution. If you fail to do that, warrant could be issued right away. I'm going to assess $330.50 for the fine and fee. I can set up a payment plan. Are you working?
No, I'm,
How do you survive?
little odd jobs here and there. Just whatever comes along with any kind of work anyway.
Okay. $75 a month. First payment can be due in November, 75 thereafter until it's paid off in full. If you fail to make a payment, not only will a civil judgment be entered against you, I will issue a warrant. You could sit up to 6 months in jail. If you're having a hardship and you're like, Judge, I can't do it this month, I need you to write a letter. I need you to fully explain it. Sometimes I will grant a stay for a bit, sometimes I won't. It all depends on the circumstances. But if you don't pay and you're just like, I can't, and you just don't tell me, a warrant will be issued, okay?
I guess if, are you saying that if I were to come up with 150, that's all I would have to pay?
If you could do that
Today?
today, that's all I would waive the rest.
Okay, I possibly can do that yet today. I can try and move some funds around, see if I can come up with it.
When do you
It'd
think
be,
you can get that by?
by the end, well, within a couple hours, I would say.
If you come here today with $170.87 by 4, it's only gonna give you a little bit by 4, then I'll waive the rest,
Okay,
okay?
all right, that sounds good.
All right, so go take care of that and get that handled, and hopefully you can muster up 170 something, okay?
Okay. All right, thank
Thank
you.
you. We are adjourned. Any other questions? All right, I have Samantha Rosado. This is Robert Bearhart. The state appears through District Attorney Jose Villa in person. We have Robert Bearhart, who is in custody in Burnett County Jail and appearing by video. We're set for an initial appearance. Mr. Villa, before we proceed down the pike in this matter, you heard off the record that Mr. Bearhart is ineligible to get his license until 2075. Is there an offer that could be presented?
Your Honor, the offer would be to plea for a fine.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Bearhart?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want some time to think about it and to talk to an attorney?
No, ma'am.
So you want to take care of that and plead it out today?
Yes, ma'am, if it's possible.
It is, I can do it. How old are you?
43.
Can you read, write, and do you understand the English language?
Yes.
Any drugs, alcohol, or other medications in the last 24 hours?
No, ma'am.
Any mental illnesses or disorders?
No.
You understand you would have the right to go to trial. You'd have the right to have an attorney, and either yourself or an attorney would be able to ask questions of the state's witnesses or call witnesses to testify for you. You would be able to testify on your own behalf or remain silent and not have your silence used against you. You would also have the right to have a jury trial in which 12 of your peers would need to reach a unanimous decision as to a guilty verdict or find you not guilty. And you would have the right to have the state prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand all of those rights you're giving up here today?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that if you're not a citizen of the United States, your plea could result in your deportation.
Yes.
Do you understand the state would have to prove on or around August 12th, 2025, that in Burnett County, Wisconsin, while being a person whose operating privileges have been revoked, you did operate a motor vehicle on a highway during that revocation period. Do you understand what the state would need to prove?
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible penalty could be a fine of up to $2,500 or jail of up to 1 year or both.
Yes.
You also understand that there is an offer here to plead to the charge for costs only, but I don't have to accept it.
Yes.
You still wish to proceed and enter a guilty plea?
Yes.
And you are pleading by video. Do you understand you would have the right to be here in person,
Yes.
but you're okay with and you want to proceed and enter a plea by video?
Yes.
Are you admitting here today you in fact did operate a motor vehicle while revoked
Yes.
and you knew you were revoked?
Yes.
You have any questions for the court, or do you want to ask the state any questions before we proceed?
No.
As to count one, operating a motor vehicle while revoked, how do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
Court will find your plea of guilt is done knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. I'm going to find you understand your constitutional rights and what it means to waive and give up those rights. I'm going to find a factual basis to accept your plea of guilt. Based on that, I will find you guilty of count one, the only count. A judgment of conviction will be entered. No, I guess there were more. Count one, a judgment of conviction will be entered today. I will dismiss and read in counts 2 and 3. Argument, Mr. Vila.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a low-level offense, and Mr. Bearhart is appearing here today taking responsibility for his actions. While we hope that he understands that he should not be driving in the future, hopefully the cost will be enough to deter him for the future offense. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Bearhart, you want to make any statement here today to the court?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Bearhart, we've been here before, and you are a guy with a good heart and a kind soul, and I feel for you, I do, for not having a driver's license and living where we do. But the more you get these, the harder it's going to be on you, and I tell you that all the time, and it might get to the point where the state is going to ask for jail. And I know you're sitting in jail now, you're on a hold for probation. I don't know what to do and I don't know what to tell you, but you can't drive without a license. And I know you know that.
Yes, ma'am.
Unfortunately, you had $150 cash forfeited already. Oh, no, wrong case. Sorry. Looked at the wrong case. You have $250 posted. So what the court is going to do is I'm going to assess $250. That covers the DNA surcharge and a little bit of a fine. I'll waive the rest. But you please just don't drive in Burnett. Figure it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you. We are adjourned. And Mr. Marone.